iQOO Z10 and Z10X are two new smartphones that focus heavily on performance and battery life. The Z10, in particular, stands out with its massive 7300 mAh battery, which is one of the biggest you'll find in any mainstream phone right now. And it's not just about capacity, it also supports 90-watt fast charging, so you won't be waiting forever to power it up. Even with such a big battery, the phone feels surprisingly light at just 198.9 grams, which is impressive since many phones with smaller batteries weigh more. The design is sleek with a shiny, wavy back, though the camera module is quite large, even though it only has two cameras. It's also built to handle some rough use with an IP65 rating, meaning it's protected against dust and light water splashes. The display is a big 6.77-inch AMOLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and it gets bright up to 1300 nits, so you won't struggle to see it in sunlight. Under the hood, the Z10 runs on a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which has been fine-tuned to deliver strong performance. In benchmarks like AnTuTu, it scores around 8.15 to 8.2 OLAC points, which is among the best for this chip. Gaming is smooth, and even heavy titles like Genshin Impact don't make the phone overheat, thanks to a large 7800 square millimeters graphite cooling sheet. The battery life is insane. You can easily get 11 to 12 hours of screen time, meaning it'll last a full day or even two for light users. For cameras, the Z10 keeps it simple with a 50 megapixel main sensor, Sony IMX882, and a 2 megapixel secondary camera. The photos come out nice, especially portraits, and the 32 megapixel front camera does a good job with selfies. Video recording goes up to 4K at 30 FPS from both cameras. The software is FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15, and iQOO promises 2 major OS updates and 3 years of security patches. There are also some handy AI features like Circle to Search and an AI photo eraser. The cheaper Z10X comes with a Dimensity 7300 chip, a 6500 mAh battery, and 44-watt charging, making it a solid choice if you're on a tighter budget. It even has stereo speakers, which the Z10 surprisingly lacks. What really makes these phones stand out is how much value you're getting for the price. The iQOO Z10 gives you all these premium features, that massive 7300 mAh battery, 90-watt charging, and a great AMOLED display for around 20,000 after discounts. That's seriously good value when you compare it to other phones in this range. If you're working with a tighter budget, the Z10X comes in at an even more affordable 12 to 13,000 while still packing a powerful Dimensity 7300 chip and 6500 mAh battery. Overall, both phones are great for students or anyone who wants long battery life and smooth performance without spending too much. Either way, iQOO has packed a lot of value into these phones. So there you have it, folks. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.